Welcome to Usakert. Today we will be discussing practice exam questions for Google Associate Cloud Engineer exam. Question 1. You have an application that uses Cloud Spanner as a database backend to keep current state information about users. Cloud Bigtable logs all events triggered by users. You export Cloud Spanner data to cloud storage during daily backups. One of your analysts asks you to join data from Cloud Spanner and Cloud Bigtable for specific users. You want to complete this ad hoc request as efficiently as possible. What should you do? A. Create a data flow job that copies data from Cloud Bigtable and cloud storage for specific users. B. Create a data flow job that copies data from Cloud Bigtable and Cloud Spanner for specific users. C. Create a Cloud Dataproc cluster that runs a Spark job to extract data from Cloud Bigtable and cloud storage for specific users. D. Create two separate BigQuery external tables on cloud storage and Cloud Bigtable. Use the BigQuery console to join these tables through user fields and apply appropriate filters. Correct option is option D. As per the question, we have an analyst who needs to join data from Cloud Spanner and Cloud Bigtable for specific users. The key here is that this is an ad hoc request. We need something quick and efficient. The best solution is to leverage BigQuery External Tables. Why? Because they allow us to query the data directly in cloud storage, where our Spanner backups reside, and directly in Cloud Bigtable without having to copy or move any data. This is incredibly efficient. We avoid unnecessary data movement, which saves us time and resources. It's also very direct. We're querying the data right where it lives. And, critically, it's perfect for ad hoc requests. Setting up external tables and querying them with SQL is fast and straightforward. Now, you might be thinking, what about Dataflow or Dataproc? While those tools are powerful, they're simply overkill for this particular task. They're much better suited for large-scale ETL pipelines or very complex data processing. For our analyst's ad hoc query, BigQuery External Tables are the most efficient and effective solution. Next up is question 2. You are developing a new application and are looking for a Jenkins installation to build and deploy your source code. You want to automate the installation as quickly and easily as possible. What should you do? A. Deploy Jenkins through the Google Cloud Marketplace. B. Create a new compute engine instance. Run the Jenkins executable. C. Create a new Kubernetes engine cluster. Create a deployment for the Jenkins image. D. Create an instance template with the Jenkins executable. Create a managed instance group with this template. Correct option is option A. So, as per question, we need a Jenkins installation, and we need it fast. The absolute best way to achieve this is through the Google Cloud Marketplace. Why? Because it's the quickest and easiest path. The marketplace offers pre-configured Jenkins solutions, which means the entire setup process is automated. We don't have to worry about manually configuring the underlying infrastructure, the networking, or even the initial Jenkins setup itself. It's all handled for us. Now, you might be thinking about other options. Could you install it on a compute engine instance? Sure, but that requires manual installation and configuration, which is time-consuming. What about Kubernetes? Great for container orchestration, but way too complex for a basic Jenkins setup. And instance templates and managed instance groups? Useful for scaling, but again, more complexity than necessary for a quick start. The Cloud Marketplace is designed precisely for scenarios like this. Rapid deployment of common applications. It's our fastest route to a working Jenkins environment. Question 3. The core business of your company is to rent out construction equipment at large scale. All the equipment that is being rented out has been equipped with multiple sensors that send event information every few seconds. These signals can vary from engine status, distance traveled, fuel level, and more. Customers are billed based on the consumption monitored by these sensors. You expect high throughput up to thousands of events per hour per device and need to retrieve consistent data based on the time of the event. Storing and retrieving individual signals should be atomic. What should you do? A. Create a file in cloud storage per device and append new data to that file. B. Create a file in Cloud File Store per device and append new data to that file. C. Ingest the data into Data Store. Store data in an entity group based on the device. D. Ingest the data into Cloud Bigtable. Create a row key based on the event timestamp. Correct option is option D. Keywords to look for: high throughput, consistent, property-based data, insert, fetch, like engine status, distance traveled, fuel level, etc., which can be designed in columns. Large-scale customer base. Each customer has multiple sensors sending events every few seconds. This will lead to petabytes of data. Export data based on the event timestamp. And atomic operations. Bigtable fits all requirements. Data store is not fully atomic. Cloud storage is not an option for exporting data based on the event timestamp. Another solution would be required. Firestore can be used with the mobile SDK. Therefore, choose option D, Bigtable. Thanks for your attention till now. For a full list of practice questions, drop an email at acert6@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.